Hello everyone, my name is Bishnu. Welcome to my channel CAD Magics. Here I share practical AutoCAD tutorials, downloadable ready-made dynamic blocks, Lisp files and real drafting solutions for engineers and designers in this channel. CAD Magics will help you to upgrade your drafting skill to new high level. And I am using this AI voice for the instructions which I have typed myself to make you clearly understand all the process thoroughly. Now let's jump to the topic. I have prepared this video because one friendly subscriber has asked me a question on this video where I have explained how we can get the coordinates of our required points with ease and directly with the table. So, you can call this video as second part of my previous video on this topic, automatic labeling and automatic table generation for coordinate points. If you are new on this channel, I would like to suggest you that you also view this video. I am sure you will like it. So, the question he asked was how to export this table to Excel. So, I have prepared this video to guide you which would somehow make your drafting work smoother. So, for this video I have brought a Lisp file which will help us to export our AutoCAD tables to Excel file easily. I have named this file as CAD Magics, which is my YouTube channel name, and in bracket we can see table extract. Now, let's select this Lisp file and copy it with Ctrl+C. Open the AutoCAD file in which we have data tables. Now we have to paste our copied Lisp at the place where AutoCAD uses the space for loading Lisp application. For that, we can type upload or even easier, AP. And press enter. From here we can load or unload any applications which are either AutoCAD default programs or any we have brought here. Let's right-click somewhere here and paste. We have to provide administrative permissions for the changes we want to make. Click Continue and click Yes. Then the Lisp file is pasted at this location. Now, to get our command to work on this file, we have to load it first. For this, we have to select our Lisp file and click on this load. And we can see here CAD Magics file successfully loaded. Now we can close this dialog box. Before we learn how to use it, did you subscribe the channel? Let me tell you, I create practical AutoCAD tutorials to help you level up your drafting skills one step at a time. There are more useful tutorials on my channel and still more videos are on the way, so make sure don't miss any. And also I like to request you to share this video to others and support this channel. So, we have just now loaded our Lisp file and activated the Get Excel command in our AutoCAD file. So let's type Get Excel command and press enter. At command line here we can see it has asked us to select the objects. So, we can just select our required table by window or cross selection. Once the selection is complete, just press enter and wait for a few seconds. Then we can see at the bottom here, a new Excel file has been opened. Let's click here and we can see we have our table exported to the Excel file. Isn't it very easy? Then we can save this file to our required location and modify these data as per requirement. But, one important thing. The table lines all should be in only lines, it cannot be polylines. But the texts inside can be both either simple text or multi-line text. And, if we need to add some rows or columns to this table, we have to keep them inside the closed lines. Let's say we need this title text too. So we just draw with lines or make rectangle and then explode it. Now type Get Excel, press enter. Select objects and press enter. And our Excel table is ready in just a couple of seconds. In this way we can make our work easier with this Lisp. I hope this Lisp will somehow be useful for drafters and designers. This command will not respond for the AutoCAD tables like this. We give the command and select this table, nothing happens. So this means, if we have any AutoCAD tables, first we need to explode it first. Then we can type the command Get Excel. Select the table and here it is. And we are at the end. You can simply click on the link shared below to download the Lisp file. And, I still have hundreds of useful Lisp files at my backup. As you can see, my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support by sharing, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop your views in the comments below and we can discuss. For now, thanks for watching, and keep drafting passion alive.